Hi, welcome to Select Recipes. If you are new to my channel, hello, I'm Samruddhi, and today's recipe is about a drink that boosts your metabolism. Now let's have a look at the ingredients. For this we need the following ingredients. And this is how the bottle gourd or Lauki looks. Now let's move ahead with the preparations. Firstly, to the blender jar we are adding Lauki, Pudina or mint leaves, a squeeze of lime, water about 3 teaspoons, and then we are blending it well. Then transfer the entire content from the blender to a bowl. Add water about 100 ml, mix well, and this is how your drink looks. This is Pudina Lauki juice. Thank you for stopping by and watching our channel Select Recipes. Please do like, subscribe and share, and always stay happy, always stay blessed. See ya.